Hello once again, this is Uncle Jimmy with Jimmy's Train Station and Travel Adventures, and today we're doing another adventure. I have my son Forbes and my dad Jim Sr. with me, and we're at Creature Feature here in Gettysburg, and we're going to a horror convention. Got a few people here I want to get, Michael Berryman being the main one from The Hills Have Eyes. And so we're going to do this adventure and get going with our con. I just wanted to say I'm sorry I haven't put a video out in a couple months. Took a couple months off for the holidays, and then I had my mother pass away, so that was hard. So I needed some time for myself, so I took off and to take care of my father and such. But I'm wearing, we also lost a great YouTuber last year in December, Adam the Woo. As you all know, the new Adam the Woo, he's one of two people that inspired me to start my YouTube channel, and the other one's the Carpetbagger. But I'm wearing the appropriate shirt, Adam the Woo shirt. It's says Adam the Woo, and it's got his birth date and death date on it. So I'm wearing the appropriate Adam the Woo shirt, and to honor him, like I said, I'm wearing the shirt. So as he would say, join me, shall you? So follow us on this adventure as we do Creature Feature Weekend here in Gettysburg. Follow us. So we made it into the building, got our wristbands here. Have my dad over there and my son that's with us. We got a half hour before we can go back and start this adventure. As always, we'll show you the hall that we have at the end of this. So we're just chilling here waiting for a half hour before we get started. So follow us on this adventure. Well, here we are, Creature Feature Weekend here in Gettysburg, and every year they have a display of balloons. They got pumpkins this year. They also got a Resident Evil balloon set up here with the zombies. They do this every year. It's pretty cool. Yeah, we're gonna go back. So we're gonna head back, start heading back, see if we can get back here. They have different shirts here for sale too. They have different ones every year. Different designs. I used to get a lot of these, but I got so many shirts now that I don't even buy shirts anymore. Got too many. So we'll work our way back.
It is, you basically.
I've got only getting 4 signatures, and one of them I'm getting a 5th signature from the same guy. So it's a small haul for autographs this time. But we'll start working our way back. Giant skeleton.
Oh, this is amazing.
Looks like these 3 here has been waiting a while to get in. We'll start going back. It's not as crowded as last year, it don't look like.
Like what you're saying now, it's just like, all right, like,
yeah, I did try.
from you. So, but it was with me being as
You lift up on there. Thank you. Vendors already.
Oh yeah. How are you doing? I'm good. How about yourself? Great to see you. Yeah, definitely. And I'll bring you a copy of Bobo Talking for you. I'll think you got one. Thank you. Okay. No, yeah, I'll make sure you got one.
Oh yeah, no, I got a little bit of everything.
Yeah, it'll be welcome.
They probably sell CDs here, don't they?
DVDs, yeah, they sell DVDs here. Got tumblers, some nice horror tumblers.
What was that?
Chucky. I like the Shining one there.
So he's like, all right, get it over with, get people out of there. Yeah.
There's your favorite pillow, Forbes.
No, I know. I see it.
They always sell these silly pillows.
What's that in there?
It's a panel room. They do panels. There's your DVDs, Dad. I always buy DVDs off of this guy. You hear me? He sells DVDs here. Some nice artwork.
This is awesome.
Yeah, there's $5 ones.
What they are there, I can't see.
Yeah, we'll look at all this stuff later. I'm gonna get my autographs first.
Somebody's
Yeah.
Oh yeah, yeah, she loves all that.
Oh, love it.
How's it going?
How are you?
All right, how are you doing?
All right, nice to see you.
You too. I'll tell you what, this guy here, I buy DVDs off of him every time I come, just about. I'll be looking later, see
All
what
right,
you
man.
got.
You got it.
Yeah.
Is that the only one you have? That's correct, yeah. I just had a show 2 weeks ago. I took the exact same amount you're looking at, and they all
Oh wow, look at that Pennywise there. I bet that's like $700. I like that Michael Myers bust up there too. That's awesome. More vendors in there. We'll be looking at the vendors here later. Work our way back here.
Thank you. Sorry, hello.
Oh, you're all right. Evil Dead showing on the TV. So there's the autograph room. I guess we'll go in here and start getting our autograph. There's Jim over there, played the helicopter zombie in Evil Dead. There's some Resident Evil actors, Children of the Corn. There's Michael Berryman's table. He's not there right now, but we'll be getting him soon. Different people. Quinn Lord's table. He ain't over there. He played in Trick or Treat. And of course you got all the trauma people over here from Toxic Avenger actors. Yeah, so Michael Berryman's over there at his table there in the distance. We'll be getting him. So follow us on this adventure. We're gonna go ahead and start getting our autographs, which won't take very long. And then we'll go looking around the vendors, so follow us on this adventure. Well, folks, that's it for Creature Feature. We got everything we need. I bought a few things, got my autographs. This is going to be kind of a short video, but we'll show you the haul when we get home, what we got. short haul because there's only a few actors here that I really wanted. My son's going to buy something real quick before we leave, and I brought my dad, and we had a good time. So we'll continue this at home and finish up. So follow me on this adventure. So we got our autographs, sold some stuff for a few bucks, extra stuff that I didn't have autographed that I didn't need. Wanted to get rid of it, it's taking up space. I'm taking my son on a fishing trip. I'm gonna be having a new YouTube channel called Into the Wild, and it's gonna be me and my son doing fishing and hunting videos. So stay tuned for that and check that out. That'll be out in a couple weeks. Into the Wild it's called. That'll be my second YouTube channel. Fishing and hunting and catch and cook and stuff like that, camping, things like that. So we're just going to look around the vendors here and see what we can find. A lot of cool stuff. Just kind of looking around to see what we can find. So I didn't get a chance to look much. Some cool stuff. Great movie, Silver Bullet. Not a whole lot of vendors, but we're going to look around anyway. I'm going to stop buying stuff unless I can justify and get it autographed. So, see a little dog? Yeah. Them are kind of neat. I like lights, but I have nowhere to put them. I haven't seen any taxidermy for it. My son likes getting taxidermy stuff. So we'll walk down and see what else we can see. I'm really thinking about getting that Chong mask. I kind of like that. Yeah. That's him. There's a couple movies I was going to ask him if he had. So follow us on this adventure as we look around. Well, hello folks, we made it home, and I'm going to show you the hall. It's not a big hall, it's kind of dark down here. I'm in the man cave, and I just wanted to show you what we got. So my son, he did get two little grab bags of crystal stones, one for his mom and one for his sister. And he done gave his sister one and put the other one upstairs. But small haul, I got the old Halloween script signed by another person, and that was Brian Andrews, who played Tommy Doyle. So I added him to that. I got Linda Miller as Lieutenant Susan Watson in King Kong Escapes. I got her to sign this poster here. Also, I got the Devil's Rejects. I got 3 signatures on that, including Lou Temple, Michael Berryman, and the girl who played Wendy Banjo. She was the girl that got ran over by the semi in the movie. So them are the autographs I got. And this one here, I got Michael Berryman to sign the Hills Have Eyes poster as Pluto. And that's a pretty big poster there. And then I also bought the DVD, King Kong Escapes. I've never seen the movie, and I had her sign it as well. So I'm going to watch that tonight and see what that's like. I got the Blu-ray. So she signed that for me. And she actually was King Kong's girlfriend in the movie. The one he picked up and carried around. And then I also bought these. I couldn't resist. I bought Cheech and Chong masks. They look so real. So I got them hanging on my wall now. And there's Cheech. Pretty cool. Got the logo. So I got those hanging on my wall down here in the man cave. So that's about it. That's what we got. I said it was a small haul, and it was. But thanks for watching this, and I ask if you're watching, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Tell your friends and family about the video and my channel, and have them subscribe, and feel free to leave comments, suggestions as always, and tell me things you'd like to see in the future. Give this video a thumbs up, and until next time, this has been Uncle Jimmy with Jimmy's Train Station and Travel Adventures. Till next time, goodbye.